Get ready to witness the power of modern forestry machines. These incredible beasts conquer towering trees and rugged terrains with ease. Join us as we dive into the world of cutting-edge tech that's reshaping forestry. You're about to see machinery like never before. In the heart of a snow-covered forest, a lone man stands, chainsaw in hand. He slices through the icy air as his saw roars to life. The crunch of snow, the snap of wood, and the thunderous crash as the tree falls. It's a symphony of nature and machine. With a fierce gaze, he declares war on the wilderness. Meet the wielopiła dwuwałowa. WD 200 przez 240 przez M, the ultimate sawing machine. With dual arbors and multiple circular blades, it slices through logs like butter, turning one piece into many with ease. Adjustable blade spacing means precise cuts every time, boosting efficiency and minimizing waste. Ever wondered how raw timber becomes smooth, usable lumber? Let's go behind the scenes in a sawmill. From initial cutting to final finishing, see the process unfold. It's incredible craftsmanship combined with top-notch machinery, turning raw wood into beautiful, usable materials. Say hello to the Ponce Ergo 8W Harvester, your dance partner in the woods. With its rotating cabin, Mercedes engine, and powerful crane, it's like conducting a symphony of trees. This machine is built for balance and smooth moves, taking forestry to a whole new level. Small, but mighty. This compact sawmill showcases brilliant engineering, where each blade and carriage move with precision. It's proof that good things come in small packages. Watching this machine in action is like watching a symphony of craftsmanship and efficiency. Then there's this guy with a chainsaw, cool as can be. He walks in like he owns the place, and his confidence is unmatched. You'd never guess, but this homemade wood splitter has been upgraded for max efficiency. He's got it all figured out, smooth and steady. Here's a DIY wood splitter with serious upgrades. Faster return mechanism, CO2 separation, and central lubrication. It's an efficiency beast, turning logs into firewood in no time. Watch it chew through wood like it's nothing. Pure engineering genius at work. Meet the ZE905 Debarker by Balger and Zembrod. This workhorse peels logs with precision, adjusting to the wood for a clean finish each time. And it's remote controlled. Talk about user-friendly. Built tough, it's no surprise loggers rave about this incredible machine. It's more than just a machine and a stump. It's a symbol of the clash between progress and tradition. The K700 represents our drive to innovate, while the stump stands as a reminder of nature's enduring power. A delicate balance we're learning to respect. This wood-crushing beast devours stumps and wood with ease, transforming even the toughest logs into fine, uniform chips. Whether it's dense roots or rugged lumber, this shredder grinds it down, ready to power your energy needs. This vintage saw from 1954 is a piece of history. Once a game changer, it could cut a log in one go. Now quiet, it still tells tales of hard work and craftsmanship. It's amazing to think of all the stories this old saw could share. This multi-purpose excavator is 3 machines in one. It can excavate, winch, and yard. Perfect for both long pulls and short distances, this beast handles it all. It's an all-terrain hero, ready for any challenge the forest throws at it. The John Deere 959M Feller Buncher isn't just about cutting trees, it's about sustainable forestry. This machine empowers operators to shape the forest responsibly, maximizing yield while respecting nature. It's skill, strategy, and respect all in one. Imagine a petite Japanese girl at the controls of a giant machine. It's inspiring to watch as she maneuvers this beast with finesse. Small but mighty, this proves size isn't everything when you've got skill and determination. The Chip Max 484 VR is in a league of its own with 765 horsepower and customizable rotor options. It turns out over 120 tons of chips per hour. This machine doesn't just chip wood, it dominates the job with power and precision. Meet the Gema MP20, a stump-eating monster. With agile steering and a powerful crane, it takes on the toughest terrain like it's no big deal. Built rugged for daily work, it's the perfect blend of innovation and strength.
Als Sperre und der Wagen darf voll beladen ohne zusätzliche
Centuries of history tumble down as this ancient cedar falls. It's more than just timber. It's a living testament to time, now transforming under the skillful hands of the logger. The precision of every cut pays homage to the forest, showing respect for the life that once stood tall.
Oh, there she goes.
On that side anyways. Okay.
Logging is a job for the pros. Just look at this guy. He's pushing himself to the limit. It's seriously dangerous stuff, not for the faint-hearted. This is the kind of risk you don't want to take on your own.
You alright?
The Valmet 843 moves with purpose, its wheels gripping the forest floor as if it owns the terrain. The operator's hands guide it like an artist with a brush, painting each turn and climb with precision. It's a machine that turns wild landscapes into navigable paths, where skill meets technology. The Carlton 6016 doesn't just grind stumps, it conquers them. With relentless force, it bites into the toughest roots, turning hours of labor into minutes of work. It's a testament to modern engineering, a compact powerhouse that transforms the impossible into the routine. In New Zealand, forestry is more than an industry. It's a legacy. Giant machines now continue the work that once relied solely on muscle and determination. The air is filled with the scent of freshly cut timber, and the rumble of logging trucks echoes history in motion, bridging the past and future. The Hypro FG45FA cuts with the finesse of a master. This tree shear, fully automated and built tough, makes logging look like an art form. Its versatility shines in both the dense forests and urban jungles, proving that precision and power can go hand in hand in the pursuit of forestry. This truck is an absolute beast, and its power is just off the charts. Watching these guys push it to the edge is nothing short of thrilling. Every moment is packed with heart-pounding excitement. The Fendus 80 doesn't just split logs, it dominates them. With 80 tons of force, it turns even the largest timber into manageable pieces. Yet, it's not just brute strength, it's control and precision, a hydraulic symphony where every movement is deliberate and powerful. The Menzimux brush mulcher tackles tough terrain like a true maestro, turning palm trees into mulch with effortless grace. It's not just about clearing land, it's about mastering it. Each move is calculated, each task a demonstration of efficiency that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Branches fall and wood chips fly as the woodpecker RP300 devours anything in its path. Its hydraulic feeding system works like clockwork, turning stubborn timber into fine mulch. It's built for those who demand efficiency without compromise, making heavy work look easy. Timber-laden trains wind their way through the woods, a scene that speaks of both history and progress. Modern rail transport reduces highway congestion and lowers fuel consumption, making it a smart choice for the future while carrying the essence of the forest with every load. The M1070 isn't just a truck, it's a heavyweight champion. With its C-channel frame and military-grade suspension, it hauls massive logs across rough terrain like a titan. It's built to handle the extremes, proving that logging isn't just about power, it's about toughness and dependability.
Yeah. Yeah.
The Meber VTZ 1400 Plus is no ordinary sawmill. With a 56-inch blade and the ability to tilt at 19 degrees, it slices through logs with surgical precision. Every cut is a nod to the craftsmanship that values not just speed, but the quality of each piece, treating wood like the art it is. With determination and skill, she wields her chainsaw with the confidence of a true craftsman. Logging isn't about gender, it's about strength, precision, and mastery of the craft. Her every movement is fluid and purposeful, proving that the forest belongs to those who know how to respect it. Hauling massive timber on narrow, twisting roads is a challenge that only the best can handle. It's not just about strength, but about precision, where every turn must be calculated with care. Watching these drivers is witnessing a test of skill that few can master, where experience truly makes the difference. Have you ever tried cutting down a tree? It's no easy task. Even with the best tools and plans, trees have a mind of their own. You think you're in control, but the tree always decides how and when it'll fall. Watch as things get unpredictable. Introducing the ultimate forestry dream team, the Kogan 718E and Woody H61. With the Kogan's incredible 13-meter reach and the Woody's unmatched chopping power, they're the perfect combination of efficiency and adaptability. Get ready to see them in action and revolutionize the way forestry is done. Feel that? That's the power of a Kenworth truck in all its glory. The deep rumble of the engine, the unbeatable strength, and the timeless durability. Kenworth was born to dominate the toughest terrain. It's not just a truck, it's a legend on wheels. Time is ticking. This tree is like a ticking time bomb, towering above but dangerously close to falling. It's a race against time, and we need to act before disaster strikes. Now, watch as we pull this massive stump from 1.5 meters underground. The stakes couldn't be higher, and every second counts as we try to prevent a potential catastrophe. Get ready to be blown away. This small but fierce ATV is about to haul massive logs with a powerful crane. It may be compact, but its strength is unbelievable, proving once and for all, size means nothing when raw power takes over. Now, let's talk about the Mercedes Unimog. This beast makes the toughest terrain look like a stroll in the park. With unstoppable power, it crushes obstacles like they're nothing. This machine redefines what it means to conquer the wild. Taking down tree stumps is no walk in the park. Sometimes you've got to admit defeat. But not today. We've got another shot, and this time we're going all in. Watch as we turn a tough battle into a triumph. Meet the powerhouse of the industry, the Pond Elephant Forwarder. Designed for the toughest terrains and steepest slopes, it's a force to be reckoned with. Unmatched power, precision, and productivity. This machine is what every logging operation dreams of. We're taking a step back in time to a historic sawmill that's been running for over 120 years. These steam-powered machines, once the backbone of the industry, are still working like a charm. It's a testament to the grit and ingenuity of those who came before us. And that wraps up our journey into the world of forestry tech. From incredible machines to skilled operators, This industry is built on power, precision, and respect for nature. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more forestry action.